Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Zoho CRM with SSO from Okta, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Zoho CRM with SSO from Okta, begin by logging into your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section. Click on the Add Application button. In the search bar, type Zoho CRM and select it from the results. Proceed to click on the Add button. Configure the application settings, including the sign-on method. Select SAML 2.0 as your sign-on method. Fill in the required fields, including the single sign-on URL and audience URI. Obtain the single sign-on URL and audience. In another tab, log into your Zoho CRM account. Go to the Setup menu and select Security Control. Click on Single Sign-On. Here, choose SAML. Return to your Okta application settings. Locate the Attribute Statements section. Add necessary attributes such as user.firstname, user.lastname, and user email. Save your changes on Okta. Next, test the SSO integration by navigating back to your Zoho CRM login page. Choose the Sign In with Okta option. You should be redirected to the Okta login page if the integration is set up correctly. Enter your Okta credentials to log in. After logging in, check to see if you are successfully redirected back to Zoho CRM. If all works seamlessly, the SSO integration is complete. You can now enjoy smooth access to Zoho CRM using your Okta credentials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.